So friend, today we show you Karma Massage Center in Rishikesh. Many people talk about Karma Massage Center is best in Rishikesh. So when I wake up today in the morning, so we think about Karma Massage Center. We should be so inside the room of Karma Massage Center of my viewers. So that's why today we came here. So let's go inside. So before coming here, I asked to owner of Karma Massage Center, but maybe I'm not sure he's not here. But no problem. We show you inside the room. So this is Karma Massage Center. Karma Massage Center. So let's go inside. Yeah, look guys, I told you already, but he's not here, no problem. So just I show you, this is office of Karma Massage Center, Karma Massage Center office. Here is everything facility available, like all goods are available here to avoid coronavirus, like fever gun and blood pressure, hand sanitizer, everything is here. And this is certificate of Karma Massage Center therapist. His name is Sohan Lal, and he is also owner of this center. So nice, it's clean, nice, small office but nice. I went many places in Rishikesh for massage, but still goods also according to compared to another massage center. So let's go guys inside. Yeah, amazing. So yeah, he told me already before, it's very necessary before receive the massage, go to toilet. So this is toilet, it's toilet, look, nice. So it's very necessary, otherwise if you will take the massage between, if you feel pressure, so you can't come back for toilet. So that's why it's very necessary before massage. Okay, so toilet is very important first, and we can't show you this one also massage room. This is first one massage room, but here is a massage going on there, so that's why I can't show you this room. And second one also here, this side, and also here also one massage going on there. Just I show you one room also, and here this room is empty, look. This room is empty, but we will come inside. But I love very much, people tell about Karma Massage Center is very neat, clean, so we should be go there. So definitely I love it very much. Karma Massage Center is best of my life in Rishikesh. So I come many time here in Rishikesh when I come from Uttar Pradesh. So our journey is very long, far from here there. So I go in Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula, many places, but their places is not hygiene. But this is hygiene. You can check disposal seats, and disposal means after finish massage, after receive massage with Karma Massage therapist, throw out in the dustbin. So this that's why. And they have also disposal towel. So but he's not here, so that's why I can't show you where he's put it there. Where? So this is Buddha. Maybe he's believe in Buddha or he's Buddhist, I don't know. So I like it very much. Nice room. Yes, nice room. So today I want to show you Karma Massage Center room from the inside. So now you can see, and now we are going back also again. Look, this is gallery, a nice gallery, and very neat, clean, hygiene. So you can tell like a little luxury massage center. So we call of this center name Karma Massage Center. So give him one time chance for serve. If you guys you want to come in Rishikesh, so you give to chance serve once. And again I show you front of the Karma Massage Center. Look, it's a mountain. Yes. Okay guys. Okay guys, if you like our video, please like, comment, share Karma Massage Center. Bye, take care.